Hey guys, in today's video, we'll show you how to set up your PlayStation 5 headset. There are a couple ways to use your PlayStation 5 headset, either wired or wirelessly. For a wired connection, you just need to plug in the cable to the headset so it can be connected to your PlayStation 5 console. Connect your headphones wirelessly. All you need to do is to connect this USB right here that comes along with the headset, and you just turn on the power button on your headset. There is a blue light that will indicate that it is on and working. After that, you need to go to your settings by hitting the PlayStation button on your PlayStation 5 controller. What you need to do next is scroll through the settings and you can change your sound settings as well to your own liking. And yeah, that's it. That's the video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.